Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Codetition. I'm going to create a playlist for people who want to learn Java from scratch. In this playlist, I'll be pushing videos from time to time. This video is the first video of the playlist. This can be considered as chapter 0, where we'll be setting up our development environment. In this video, we'll be covering three sections. Section 1 is installation of JDK. JDK is Java Development Kit. We need this to compile and run our Java programs. The second section, we will cover writing, compiling, and running our first Java code. And in the third section, we'll be showing how to use IDE, how to install it, and how to use. IDE is Integrated Development Environment. We use this to develop software code efficiently. It has debugger. You can run codes just with a click. It has source code editor. Every professional software developer uses this for software development. In this section, I'm going to show how to download and install JDK in your machine and also how to verify whether your JDK is being correctly installed or not. So as a first step, I'm going to download JDK from Oracle website. So let's go to Chrome and type Oracle JDK download. You can come to this website and you can download any JDK, but as an example for this video, I'm downloading JDK 19. I have a Windows machine, so I'll go to this Windows tab. If you have Mac or Linux, you can go to these tabs. So I'll go to this x64 compress archive. I'll click here and I'll download the zip file. Okay, so this zip file is downloaded. I'll go to this folder and refresh just to see. Yep, this is downloaded. Then I have to extract the zip file here. I can extract to JDK 19 and as soon as this is done, you can go inside this and you will see this one folder as JDK 1901. You can copy this folder and go to your program files folder. So I'm going to go to my program files. I'll go to Java folder. Here you can see I already have JDK 1.8. I'm going to paste 1.19 here as well. So, okay, JDK 19 is here. So I've downloaded this JDK package. But after you have downloaded this JDK package, you have to give the path of this binary folder of JDK 19 in your path variable of system variables. So copy this path, go to search button and type env. You will get this system variables thingy. And in this advanced tab, go to environment variables. Now, if you see in the system variables, if you scroll down, you will see one variable as path. Edit this one and create a new path. Give here JDK 19 bin. Now, note at this point, if you do not have any other JDK, then you can keep it as it is. But as I've shown that I have JDK 1.8 as well, I have to push this path above because otherwise my JDK 1.8 will be picked up. So I can easily move this up above JDK 1.8, so that should be sufficient. Then I'll click OK, OK, OK. Now I've given this JDK 1.19 bin path in the path variable of the system variables. This should be it. Installation of JDK, but how to verify whether your JDK 19 is actually installed or not? To verify that, you can go to command prompt and type here java minus version. And here you can see that Java version 19 is there. This proves that your JDK is installed successfully and you can start running your Java codes. So once you have successfully downloaded and installed JDK on your machine, it's now time to write your first Java code. At this moment, you don't have to worry about the structure or the syntax of Java code and like Java class. What is the structure for that? What is the method definition? You don't have to worry about that. We will be covering all these topics in details in our coming videos. But for now, just as a sample, just to give an feel and experience of writing a Java code and compiling and running it, we are going to write a very simple Java code, compile it, and then run it. So let's start. So for that, I'll just open a notepad, and here I'm going to write a very simple class. Say is welcome. Then in this class, I'm going to write the main method, and this main method will not do anything. It will just print a very simple line. Let's say it will print, this is my first Java code. Okay, let's verify. Like I have this class welcome, which has this main method, and this main method has this print statement. Okay, fine. Now we can save it as welcome.java. One thing to remember here is that you have to give the file name same as what you have given the class name. So I've given the class name as welcome. That's why the file name is welcome. Also, the extension is .java. So it should not be .text. You have to give it as welcome.java. Now, once that is done, we have this welcome.java file. How to compile that? You can go here and type cmd. It will open your command prompt. Here for compilation of Java code, give the command javac and then the file name. So every time for compilation, you have to give javac and the file name. Once you do that, if there's some error, it will give error here. But if it is not error, it will just come to the next line. Now, if you have noticed, then you could see that a .class file is present now after the compilation. This also will cover in detail later. It is just that like Java has compiled your code and created a .class file. Now, how to run your code? You have to give the command Java and your class name. Your class name was welcome. So don't give any extension here while running the code. Just say Java and then welcome and then press enter. Now here you could see that this is my first Java code. Congratulations, you have installed JDK, you have written your first Java code, and then you have executed your first Java code. In this section, we are going to see how to download an IDE. Like you can download or use any IDE, Eclipse, or anything that you like. But I use IntelliJ, uh, so probably I'll recommend using IntelliJ. And how to get IntelliJ, you can just go to Chrome and then type download IntelliJ. You will come to this website of JetBrains. Here, Ultimate Edition is like you have to pay for that, but Community Edition is free. So you can download this exe and let's see what does it do. Okay, let's say I save this one here. Okay, so once your download is completed, let's go to that folder. See. Okay, we have this exe file. Let's run this one. So once your community edition is installed, just click Run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition and let's say finish. So, yep, I confirm, continue. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded and installed IntelliJ IDEA. Let's try to uh, create. Let's try to create a new project. Detecting JDK. Let's give this name as, yeah, you can give any name. Say Java IntelliJ 19. Okay, and create. Okay, so we have created a new project in this IntelliJ Community Edition. Now you will see the benefits of using IDE and yeah. So here you can already see that a source folder is there, and inside you can see that there's already a main class. You remember this was the method that we write earlier, like public static void main, and here it is saying that hello world. But let's do something, and let's maybe write our own method, our own class. Say let's write again welcome to. Suppose I'm writing welcome to class here. Now when you click on that, when you like selected that class and then rename it as welcome to, you could see that this class is already created like with the structure public class welcome to. And here you can write the main method, and then let's say write this print statement. This is my Java code from ID. Now you don't have to specifically compile here. You have already written this code. This is the class, and then this is the main method. Just click on this run. Run welcome to main. Now here you can see that this is building your application. So basically compiling there, and then now it should run. This is my Java code from ID. So it is as simple as that. Running Java codes here, like an ID helps a lot. I'll recommend like download an ID. If you don't like IntelliJ, you can work from Eclipse. If you guys face any problems using any kind of IDs, just let me know in the comments. I'll help you out. So this concludes our chapter 0, where we did a setup of our development environment. We downloaded and installed JDK on the system. We wrote, compiled, and executed our first Java code. We also downloaded and used IDE. So if you like this video, kindly press on the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you.